Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the cigarette lighter that's located in the trunk, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Okay, the cigarette lighter fuses for the front are separate. We have a special video about that. We'll cover the trunk today, and that should work on Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So actually, guys, you have three different fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. One is in under the hood, one is in the passenger side, kind of like behind the glove box, and then you have one more, okay, in the trunk. Okay, let me explain where in the trunk now we're going. Right here you can see there is one cover. So let's go ahead, okay, open this, and that's where the fuses are located. You can see that's a fuse box that we have, okay, right there. So let me focus now. Okay, right here, guys. Okay, if you see the fuse that we need to check, okay, fuse number 27, guys, okay, will be actually the Ford fuse. So if you look right here, okay, it will be that 20 amp fuse, guys, okay, right there, the 20 amp fuse, okay, right here. That's the one that you need to check. So that's the one for your rear cigarette lighter. Okay, I'm talking about that one here on Ford C-Max if you need to find it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.